Learn how easy it is to set audio defaults and adjust other sound settings in Windows 11. Go into Settings, and from within System, click on Sound. The output list shows all your non-Bluetooth sound devices, including those that are wireless. To see a list of Bluetooth devices, select Bluetooth and Devices. Click on the device you want to use for the audio output. Then under General, use the Set as Default Sound Device dropdown and select Use as Default for Audio. If you want the device to be used for communications, then choose that option. Otherwise, to set another output device for communications, use this same procedure. From here, you can also adjust other properties, most notably the audio format. This affects the sound quality and depends on your output device specifications. You can test each option for comparison. When you're finished with the output, navigate back to Sound and do the same for the input device to set your default microphone use. This is where you can also adjust your microphone's volume and do a recording test to get the sound level you want. When you're done, simply exit Settings, and your audio devices will be set without a restart required. If you're having audio playback issues with your external speakers or your headset, watch our video about troubleshooting for sound not working. Click the link shown for the recommended link to access. Whenever you have any questions or need any support, you can always reach out to us through social media for help. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can join in a chat or start your own post. Become a subscriber to our channel today to get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified of new content. Thanks for watching.